Landlord Studio is an easy-to-use, cloud-based accounting and rental management app. To get started, either download the iPhone or Android app and create an account on your computer. The first thing to do is add your properties. Here you can also track important details like valuation and mortgage, or skip and keep things simple. If you have an active lease or one starting soon, you can add this next. When creating the lease, you can track the start and end date, rent amount, and tenants. A built-in prorate calculator will calculate the first payment for you. Additional features you can set up with your lease include late fees, rent reminder emails, and online rent collection. These features are designed to make it as easy as possible for you to ensure on-time rent payments from your tenants every single month. Once the lease has been created, you can add your tenants. This will allow you to easily send them messages using our customizable email and SMS templates. Now you're ready to start tracking your income and expenses. Simply hit Log Payment, check the details, and confirm. You can do this on the go via the app or on desktop. Landlord Studio offers a range of additional features that make it easier than ever to stay on top of your rentals. Store documents, set reminders, generate reports, collect rent, manage maintenance, and more. And as your portfolio grows, easily add more properties by selecting Add New Property. The first 3 properties are completely free. What are you waiting for? Get started for free today.